are, guys. Driving in the blizzard of 2022. The whole country is feeling this this little cold front that's going through. Here in Ohio, we didn't get a whole lot of snow. I mean, you know, there's plenty of it, but it's not real bad. Maybe 4 inches, 4 to 6 inches. At any rate, not a lot of snow yet, but it's very, very, very cold. When I was driving to work, my dashboard said it was 1 degree Fahrenheit. So, and it feels like it's dropped already. It's supposed to drop down to 5 below, with wind chills of like 25 below. So, just want to make a short video showing you what's going on in my world. I've got to be out in this stuff.